Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So today's video is a collab with Davii Stewart, and he calls himself the boring YouTuber. I don't know why.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Davian Stewart, and I would like to thank Shakay for doing a collaboration with me. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel if you're here for the first time. And if you see what you like, just subscribe. Just subscribe. Go to 1K, just subscribe to Shakay's channel. And also you can check out my channel, links will be in the description below.
But anyways guys, today's collab is with him. So after you guys are finished watching this video, go ahead and go to his video, which will be in the description down below. Make sure you subscribe and tell him that Shakay sent you. And if you are from his channel, hey, what's up, go ahead and subscribe because I know you guys will enjoy this channel. So we are doing a how Jamaican are you tag, and I think this is fitting since like yesterday was like Jamaica Day. I'm hoping this video will actually be up today, which is on Saturday, the 27th. So yeah, without further ado, let us get into these questions.
How Jamaican are you? So I'm going to ask Shakay some questions and we're going to figure out how Jamaican is Shakay. Is she really a Jamaican? Is she really Jamaican? Let's find out. So the first question is, which one of these games is the most popular in Jamaica? Monopoly or Domino?
That's definitely dominoes. A lot of persons in Jamaica don't play Monopoly. Not a lot, but yes, so that would be dominoes.
Second question, when did Jamaican gain emancipation?
Alright, so for this question, Jamaica gains its in for this question, Jamaica gained its emancipation August 1, 1834. 1834. So yeah, that's my answer. But yeah.
Number 3, when did Bob Marley die?
Huh? When did Bob Marley? I have no idea. I'm not gonna lie about this. Me no know. Me don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know. I'm not really a person that remembers dates, so yeah.
Number 4, what is the national flower of Jamaica?
So Jamaica's national flower is the lignum vitae, and I'll put a picture here for those who don't know it. You know, it's a pretty, I think a pretty purple flowers. Yeah, you know, I don't think I know how it really looks in real life. I don't know if I've ever seen it in real life. I'm not sure. I have to look back and see. But yeah, the lignum vitae.
Number 5, what is the national tree of Jamaica called?
The national tree of Jamaica is called the blue maho. The blue maho. And that's the next tree. I don't know if I know this tree, you know. I really don't know. You know, like how you don't know one banana tree we see what to do like every day, or one apple tree or one ackee tree. I don't know it. I can't look at it and tell you that's the tree, you know. Yeah. Well, anyways, back to the questions.
Number 6, which group of people are on the coat of arms?
The coat of arms. Is it Arawaks? I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna put that as my guess. Arawaks. Yeah. Arawaks. I'm not sure.
Question number 7. Complete this proverb. Was sweet nanny goat?
Alright, so this proverb was sweet nanny goat aga running belly so see mother. Hey, I love that proverb. It's cute. It's nice. It's nice.
Number 8. Which ethnic group is the largest in Jamaica?
I don't know. Ethnic group. I don't know. I was good at math in school. Not all shit. Well, me get a 2 in it. That means somebody good in them something there. But I really don't know, and I hated history because I hated reading. Yeah, I didn't do well in history because I don't like to read. I still don't like to read. So I don't know that one there. Let me know in the comments down below if you do. This is just gonna make me look not Jamaican, but
Number 9. Which soup is called a type of tea in Jamaica?
with soup or fish tea or manish water. One of them, fish tea or manish water. Me don't know. You forgot to tell me if they're right in the comments down below because I have no clue.
So, final question. How many years of Jamaica been independent?
1962, 2020. What? Me can't calculate it. Me can't calculate it. 59, I think. No, 58. I checked it with 2021. I should have checked it with 2020, right? 58. See? 58 years. I had to check that one because I'm not gonna remember the exact number, but you know, calculate it to you know the year. Alright, so yeah, those are his 10 questions. Thank you, Davian, again for collabing with me on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment some more Jamaican questions down below and I'll see if I can, you know, if I can answer them. I don't know. A lot of things I don't know. I'm not lie. I am not gonna lie, but I don't think I did that bad, you know. I don't know how much I get right, but let me know in the comments down below how much I got right. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell, guys, so you're notified every time I make a video. Also, don't forget to go over to Davian's channel and watch his video and hear the questions that I gave him. I think they were pretty awesome questions. So yes, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.